Hi guys, Heather Paris here and Claire Paris. We're here to give you one tip a month so that you can take care of your home in a quick and easy manner, just 5 minutes. So we have a lot to show you, so come on, let's go. Hi everybody, we're here today taking care of your gutters. So your roof has a huge amount of water running off into these gutters, ideally into the downspouts and taking the water away from your house. And these get full of moss and debris from your roof and leaves. So ideally you're going to do this with gloves, but see, there's just all kinds of stuff in here. See? And you're going to want to do this at least once a year. Clean it all out and make sure it's flowing properly so that the water's getting off the roof and out away from the house. It's going to take you more than 5 minutes this time, but it's super important, and we'll see you next month. Thanks.